Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quick and easily transfer from spot to margin account on Gate.io. First, let's go into Gate.io. Once in the app, you're going to tap on Wallet in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to select Transfer. And at the moment you can see mine is set from spot to perpetual futures account. You'll tap on right where you see perpetual futures account. And you want to select margin account. And from here you would select the accounts. For example, BTC/USDT. And you'll see the asset BTC, or if you like to change the asset, you'll tap on the arrow pointing down. If you like to transfer USDT, then you'll enter the amount and you'll tap on transfer now. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.